Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Cubot Note 50. So in the first step, always start from the simplest way, so check your DND mode, open the top menu and check that you have this feature activated. If you have it activated, just switch it off, and that's it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp and go to the app info. Check that you have activated notifications and go to the additional settings. Now check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. If you still have alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Now tap on the delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp account and check your notifications. In the next step, let's open the settings, go to the system and choose reset options. Select Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings button and tap this button again. In the last step, try to update your system. So go to the system update and choose check for update button. If you have any, install it and check for your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.